If I steal your identity and I file a tax refund, you're never going to see it because it didn't create a credit transaction. It's the perfect crime.
Identity-based tax fraud has been a problem in Alabama since 2010, but it really exploded over the past 3 years. So we went shopping, and we were lucky enough to find the LexisNexis tax refund investigative solution.
It takes advantage of LexisNexis's proprietary public record content, combines it with some taxpayer information, and can very quickly identify if the identity being used on the tax form is owned by the individual. What we're talking about here is a $21 billion problem annually.
We don't have the great resources that LexisNexis has. So when a tax return hits our deck, those that are suspicious for identity theft, we either send the taxpayer a letter asking them for some confirmation, or more prominently, we send them to the TRIS quiz. And the quiz is knowledge-based questions based on the person's financial history. They should be questions people can readily answer, which is the beauty of it and why it helps to prevent a criminal from answering the quiz himself. We ended up saving the state $3.4 million last year, $1.5 the year before. That's money that would have gone out the door. So that's why it's very important for states to implement these novel solutions that kind of look at a tax return in a totally different light.
Tax refund fraud is going to get bigger, it's not going to get smaller. It is likely that every single identity in this country, in the United States of America, has already been stolen. The only question is, has it or hasn't it been used? The states need to work together cooperatively to solve this problem. That's absolutely critical to shutting it down.
Everybody is looking for a cost-effective approach. They're looking for something they can easily integrate into their existing systems, and they're looking for something that's fast. The TRIS solution kind of combines all that. And I don't think anybody in the world has a better database to compare information with other than LexisNexis. So that's why we choose them.